Today we are talking about full moon of Cancer. It has a motto, it is a condensed formula of the energy of that constellation, which is as follows. It says, I build a lighted house, therein I dwell. That's a very condensed formula, and one day maybe we must make a seminar and solve it, dissolve it, and analyze it. It's very heavy. But let's take the main direction of that constellation. This is not, of course, astrology. It is the wisdom of astrology. The direction of the energy of this huge constellation is construction, building up, building bodies, building temples, building vehicles. But light within us not only built this body, which is crystallized something tangible, it built also astral body, if it is built. But that's the destination, that's the plan. That eventually you have an astral body, and as you are working and living and acting in the physical body, one day you will have a super physical body, which is astral body, and with astral body you will have less limitation of time and space. See, now there is something there very interesting. That as light is building greater houses, better houses, the light is liberating itself from the limitation of time and space and matter. Now that's another consideration. That as your light increases, you are less slave of your body, of ignorance and limitation of time and space. And one day will come that spark will beat the mental body. See, because if you have only physical body, you are not protected by astral attacks. You are not secure. For the sake of security and your protection of your unfoldment, see, it is just like an egg. Eggshell is protecting that chick inside until that chick is ready to break it. But it does not break until it has the body that protecting itself. So we are the same thing. Layer after layer we are building greater and greater houses. But what the constellation is saying that you must build a lighted house in which you will dwell. Now this is the moral and religious side of it. What kind of houses we build and how we build? With what material? See, we have two kinds of material. Materials of light, materials of darkness. Materials of light are those materials that make your body more sublimated, transformed, transfigured, closer to the light, because it's light, it's condensation of the light. See, we never thought about it. Our body, we say it's flesh, it's bone. But actually, if you analyze your flesh and bone, it's light. As for example, Ageless Wisdom was saying that this earth is light. This atom is light. We didn't believe it. Now 1 gram of uranium is released and it's all light. It's so fantastic light that you cannot even look at it. So the same thing is you are. Your whole cells and bones and flesh and everything that your body is a light, condensed light. And it is so close together that you don't see the light. But for example, the great ones choose their disciples with their lights. You emanate some kind of light that the master sees you and says, here, a light is developing. And how you build that body of light? With the substance of light. What is the substance of light? All those actions and activities that are in harmony with the light.